Hey everyone, in this video, we're going to talk about iced tea. Our first tea is going to be our iced elderberry hibiscus. We're going to use 6 scoops or 18 grams of tea to about 1 liter of water. Use this as your universal iced tea ratio. It works with most tea and makes a flavorful strong brew. After I've added the tea, I'm going to top it off with 500 milliliters of off-boil water and steep it for 5 to 10 minutes. Then I'm going to finish it off with 500 grams of ice to cold shock it and bring down the temperature. With organic Egyptian hibiscus and Ontario elderberry and currants, this tea is super tart and refreshing and does excellent with a little bit of sweetener. So this is our elderberry hibiscus. It's so good iced, and you really don't have to shake it, but shaking it really gives that, show-stopping value for your customers. Just can't wait to give it a try. Ugh. That's super refreshing and honestly reminds me of aguas frescas in Mexico, like agua de Jamaica. If you're familiar, it's a really, really delicious drink. It's not quite as sweet. It's got a bit of elderberry, but it's our take on it, and I think it's a definite yes for your summer menu. So for this next drink, we're gonna do our Blue Delta Arnold Palmer. We're gonna do the same recipe, fill this up with a liter of water and 18 grams of tea. Our Blue Delta is super refreshing. It's got mint, chamomile, lemongrass, it's got some apple and butterfly pea flower, which gives it a beautiful indigo hue. And the best part about this is that although it starts off kind of blue, when you add acid, it turns purple. So with this drink, we're gonna take advantage of that and we're gonna make an awesome gradient. So here we're gonna fill up the pitcher that has the 18 grams of tea with 500 grams of hot water. And then once that's done steeping, I'm gonna top it off with 500 grams of ice to cold shock it so it's ready. Now we've got the glass ready with some ice, and we're gonna top it off with some delicious lemonade. This can be homemade, ideally local. We're gonna fill up most of the glass with some of this lemonade. It can be pre-sweetened. Then, after I close that up, we're gonna top it off with some of the Blue Delta, and now the moment of truth. Watch the magic. Isn't that stunning? So this is how you make our color-changing Arnold Palmer. It's half lemonade and half our iced Blue Delta, and it's really a showstopper. It starts off really beautifully yellow and slowly turns pink and then a deep purple. That's because of the butterfly pea flower. It reacts with the acid and changes color. Now let's give it a shot because this is overflowing and I'm super thirsty. So refreshing. It's got mate, it has lemon verbena, pea flower, and apple. It just goes so well with lemonade. I'm gonna take another sip.